Okay guys, we're on location today at the local school, and we've been making some skills board work to help the youngsters. I would say that some of this is really most accessible really for those perhaps in, I suppose they term year 10, but it could be some of the younger years and older years. So what have we got here? And I'll try and hold this phone, so I haven't got Jake with me today. We've got a dovetail joint there, as you can see there, and we've got I think that is just, yeah, it's a rebated joint. Can you see? I remember making that. Can you see that little rebate there? Stopped housing joint or rebate. A little electronic circuit here from a kit. A little bit of soldering techniques learned there, and a bit of line bending here. A bit of injection molding. This would be placed between two other pieces of plastic, or acrylic in this case, which is obviously a plastic, and then you can injection mold using a glue gun, amazingly, and that's the product. Little, in that case, little animal dog, and that is, yeah, acrylic, and the laser cutting is the work, obviously, to form the detail. And then a bit of line bending work here in acrylic, really simple. A little bit of aluminium riveting here, so that just shows that technique there. Of riveting, self-tapping screw and all that, just to hold it on there. A bit of dimensioning and drilling work here. We're using a scriber and centre punch in aluminium. Some more aluminium work here. I've done a key ring here out of some thicker gauge aluminium. That's about 3mm. That's 1.5mm. And that actually is a little holder. It could be for a phone or something like that. A little bit of vacuum forming, so you have to make the mould for that shape or any shape, and then demonstrate you can vacuum form. A little bit of scroll saw work there with the dog, and some laser work there, making that mock spanner out of light edge acrylic, and some more laser cutting work in this case it was MDF, making that little cat, and some handcrafted work here with acrylic, making a little key fob. So there's a range of basic skills, I say basic, introductory to basic skills in handcraft work. So for some of you, I think that would be really quite useful, and you can even make feet for the board and hold it up and then screw all your items on there. There's a little bit of work there done, another little fan project based on Minecraft. So that, and while we're here, because you've seen some of these projects now, some quite interesting ones. I've just done a model. Look at that. Done a model. This is a model somewhere people go to school. What do you think? It's not completely finished. These are the mini men, mini people. Yeah, very small, aren't they? Look like it's been an accident. Anyway, there it is. So I try and go right around it. There you go. And that's 1 to 150 scale. That's apparently phase 2 for this project here. And the outside cladding to the material is actually that colour, so that's the nearest I can get to it. But what do you think, guys? Bit of laser work there, isn't it? Right, so that's that. Okay, hope you like this little short video. It's a general one, really, but I suppose a bit of skills introduction and modelling work. Thanks very much, guys. See you soon. Okay, to add to the last video, done a little scaled maisonette, if you like, roof space here. This would be about 1 to 100 scale, roughly, not even that. So I'll turn it around, turn the light on, got a little light there, and there it is. I think it's okay for what it is. Perhaps year 11, possibly intro to some work you might do at sixth form. But there you go, little space there, cooking. Not that you can really cook in it. There's some laser cut parts to it, and I like the piano and the stool I made, a little oak table there. There's the stairs and the balustrade, and some rather quirky decorations. There's the bedroom. I hope you like that, guys, just to add to the last bit of modelling while we're on it. So there you go. Yeah, great. Catch you soon, guys.